wind howls because it can't keep up. The Audi A4 with Quattro all-wheel drive.
Hey everyone, TeleByte here. Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a pretty nice video here for us. I'm here with one of my best friends right here. This is Sonny. He's a kitten I got back in September, and he's just the sweetest thing ever. So I thought I would let him make an appearance in today's video. Anyways, the day I am filming this is Thanksgiving. Happy late Thanksgiving. Happy early Christmas, everybody. And there have been some wild changes of events going on in my life. So what we're going to do is Sonny and I are going to sit down here and talk to you guys about that. Right, buddy? Oh, now you don't want to meow. Okay. I see how it is. Animals are so hard to cooperate, guys, I swear. You can just, kind of roll around on the table. He's going to do what he wants. But, yeah, guys, so let me update you on what's going on. And he is touching the camera. Thanks, buddy. So y'all all know my Acura Integra, right? The video I made a while back, when I was first showing it to you guys. Yeah, I bought that Integra in June, and guess what? I just sold it today. That's right. It is gone. My Integra is gone. And the reason being is because I've just really been looking for a German luxury sedan or something like that. I've really been wanting a Mercedes, but I actually found a 2002 Audi A4 for sale on Facebook, and the guy's only asking $2,600 for it. So I'm jumping on that. That's why I got this money here. I just got paid buying my Integra. And all this money's just going to go right away tomorrow. I'm going to be buying a car on Black Friday. So that's going to be a fun Black Friday activity. This is obviously going to be a video I'm going to have to string out between today and tomorrow. This is just the intro. But we're buying a new car here at TeleByte. So yeah, guys. Merry early Christmas. Late Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, this is great. All right, let's go buy that Audi. All right, everybody, here we are. It's the next day. My new car is officially signed over. My 2002 Audi A4. Wow, look at this. It's awesome. Just got the title. Oh, yeah. All right, let's take it home. All right, so I thought it might be fun to go on a little ride with you guys. It is so freezing outside. I've just been filming this car for like the past 10 minutes or so. When I get in here, it's all nice and warm and everything, and that German engineering at its finest. So let's just go on a little ride here. I love the way this car handles in its entirety. It is so smooth and luxurious and nice. And I love it that you can hear that finely tuned engine a little bit. It's not too quiet and it's not too loud. It's just perfect. And if I forgot to mention, this car from 2002, all 4 seats are heated, which is amazing, especially right now on this cold December day in Kansas. I just really love the way this car works in its entirety. It's just a beautiful, amazing car. Alright, so yes, the Audi drives and handles very well. Guys, but in all seriousness, this thing is so nice on the inside. It is quiet, it is smooth, comfortable, very comfortable. And I mean, you guys heard that exhaust. It's not a bad sounding car either. It is some really weird cup holder situations here. And this one's stuck right now and it's hard to get it open, but basically it like folds all out like crazy and stuff. My alignment control, these are wearing off, but you can buy like little decals to fix those. It is auto and I have it set to 69 degrees and it'll do everything it needs to do to keep that at 69 degrees, which I think is cool. I have one cup holder in here actually, and look how large this glove box is. It is massive for just a glove box. And the sunroof situation's strange too, but it's actually cool. So instead of, there just being like a normal toggle switch to open the sunroof, they give you a dial. Audi gives us a dial here. So if you turn this dial all the way that way, it will open all the way. Say you want it halfway open, no problem. Just turn it about halfway. It's like a 90s microwave. And then if you want it all the way closed, and you can use this button to like stop it. Pretty neat, huh? And of course, power everything, power leather seats, power mirrors, auto windows. I think they only work when the car is running though. And that, everybody, is my new 2002 Audi A4 Quattro. I'm very excited to have and own this car. And look at it, it's beautiful. So, just wanted to update you guys on this video here. I really love this car. I got it for a good price. And I'm happy to have something that's luxurious now instead of my Integra, which is just a little sports car. So